Hello to my old friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Look, here is our VPS system. If you are interested in VPS need, please feel free to contact. It's a $10 1 month price of VPS. Okay, and this is unlimited VPS. Okay, no need to buy from MQL5 market or any other thing. Okay, it's very easy and cheap price. Okay, we also set up this thing. Okay, now let me show you what's going to show in video. This is the Hope Master version 4.5. Okay, the complete details of this version. Simply check the description, my contact number in description. I will contact and give you the details required. Okay, simply this boot is working on the boom and the crash volatility 75 and its step index. You just need to put this robot and set to default setting. If needed changes, we have a group for this robot users. Simply come in a group and chat with us. If you still have any question, please check the description for contact details. And look here the summary of today. The robot is working. How is going to work for you? And look here, there's the 4. Okay, and look here, the boot is working, is switched on VPS server. And look here, the first thing, the $4 profit and the $9 profit. Boot is making what? Look here, look here, look here, look here, $34 boot made profit. And look here, the loss factor minus 1.14 after the continuously 11 trades win. One more loss, 0.002, not a big loss. And then look here at the profit factor of this robot. Okay, continuously making robot profit. Look here. We switched on a boom and a crash 500 and 1000. 4 pairs of boom and crash. Look here, with making profit continuously on the server of VPS, non-stop working 24/7. Okay, look here is the history of robot work. Okay, what robot made here is, look, making continuously profit. No, I will not say this is 100% only make profit. No, loss and profit is a part of this business. Okay, but if one thing is making awesome profit and minimizing your risks, which means this thing I have ability to do something for you. Look here, 35, 36, look here, 35, 3 trades, 17, 17, 18, 8, 1, 8, 9, 8, 4. Okay, let me show you one more. Scalping, look here is loss. What is loss? Look here, $2, 7 cents, 15 cents, and what's boot recovered? $17.51 in one trade. Look here, what's boot faced? Here boot faced a loss. Look, as I told you, there is nothing in market 100%. Boot made what continuously profit. Here boot lost 16 and 14. Okay, and boot started again work for you. Okay, look here, after this last trade, look here, the first till this 17,9421, and your old loss is recovered and boot come in scalping mode. Okay, and look here, it started scalping. This is very awesome boot. If you're interested, simply check the description, contact details there, and contact with me. Okay, kill the binary, make awesome profit daily basis and free trading. Look at $17 profit, $17 profit, continuously 84210.7. So this is the boat. Look here, $18 profit. So make the money without pressure, without involving, without looking whole day watching your chart, analyzing. Okay.